just went boom like that. Everyone saw it. What the frick? Oh my god. Frick? Oh hell no.
Beware of acai. Get
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mel. If you don't know who I am, you probably don't. This is my first ever real video. I've posted some stuff from like my podcast, My Best Friend, a couple of times. It's my first time being in Hawaii. So I'm in Hawaii right now. It's freaking hot. It's freaking hot. People don't tell you how humid it is. And I was like, we'll just get to the Airbnb and just chill from the long plane rides. And there's no air conditioning. I'm just not used to that. Even though I'm from freaking Arizona. It's freaking hot in Arizona and I'm dying in this heat because there's no air conditioning. It's fine. But anyways, let me run you through how this morning went. So I woke up at 4 a.m. It's currently 4 a.m. I woke up at 3 a.m. thinking we were leaving and no one was up. Like, go, go, go. So that's how the Murphy fam does it. We always make it on time usually. Hopefully I didn't jinx it. Let's leave for the airport. And yes, my room is always this messy.
I don't think they have my suitcase.
No, you keep them away.
on the deck.
Oh God, no. God, no. So we went to the airport and we had a flight from AZ to LA.
Oh, hello. Middle seat bar.
Listen to it over here. Couple goals. Girl, take hands. Which was very short, just like an hour flight. And then we went straight from LA to Hawaii. I slept so much better. I actually got the middle seat open, so it was me and my mom, and the middle seat was open. It was super nice. We got here. I had to go through so much COVID stuff, guys. We had to get tested before.
To the allergies like this, so I don't touch anything bad. Perfect. And then I know you guys
Got vaccinated last week. We came here and we had to get tested again. And I was like, well, why do we have to pay for the other test? It's very weird.
You go off the airline today. That's not.
We did all that and we made it, and then we finally went to go eat. We made it, yeah! And now we're waiting for food. The flights were honestly not bad. I slept through most of them, except she did not have a great time. He did not have a great time.
Literally the girl next to us was like, I think I'm gonna throw up. And I was like,
Did she really?
this girl now plays it. Why do we look so like right now?
Watch it all day.
How do you feel?
Benson. I feel very happy now that we're here.
A nice bed.
Guys, I heard this last letter.
Okay.
What the frick is that?
What? Beware of attacking. Oh, that's a little scary.
This cannot be real.
Guys, oh my god! What the frick?
There's a Spanish.
Oh hell no.
Beware of
Oh,
acai.
hell.
Gecko. Is there a gecko in there?
Really? What the frick? Anyways, I just wanted to welcome you guys to the channel and show you how my Hawaii trip goes. Let me show you around a little bit. It's very homey, home vibes. Oh my god, my mom calls me. I'm like, hello? Because they went to the beach and she's like, are you okay? I'm like, yeah. She's like, are you sure? I was like, yeah, why? So she was like, you just called me. I was like, no, I didn't. And she's like, yeah, you did. You basically said something about a birthday, and then you started singing Ring Around the Rosie, like very weirdly. Like, were you pranking me? She was like laughing it off. I was like, Mom, like, yes, I'd probably prank you, but like, I didn't do it. I started freaking out because I was home here alone in the Airbnb, and I was like, and the thing is that it came from my phone. It said like Mel on her phone. That's freaking terrifying.
The next day.
It's currently like 5 a.m. here in Hawaii. I have my bathing suit on. So we're gonna go watch sunrise. I doubt that everyone's gonna be up in time. I'm really excited for us to eat acai bowls. We kind of missed the sunrise, but it's good. Okay, look at that. That's kind of pretty. Look at that. Oh, look at it.
I feel so happy.
Calm.
It's so
Oh, cute.
so sandy. So pretty.
Yeah, I know. We had to leave because we have to
My favorite.
shower. Yum yum. We got it at the farmer's market. We're about to go jet skiing. I couldn't really record too much of the jet skiing. We got some photos that I'll put in here if we have them, but it was so much fun. I got to ride my own, which was really cool.
It was awesome.
Look at that, guys.
No.
I dare you to go pet that dog.
Oh.
Here.
Look how red. Stop. We just bought a lei.
Yay!
Look how cute it is.
It's pretty.
I'm gonna go to bed because we have to wake up early for snorkeling. So windy. We just did cliff jump. Oh no, what was it? It was like a 10-foot.
We swam in the blue water.
The blue water.
Yeah, that's what they
The
call
ocean. It was deep.
it. Deep blue. That's what they call blue water.
What water isn't blue?
Because this is more blue than blue.
It was okay.
Besides my scalp burning.
It was long. Oh no, it's bad.
Dang. I am burnt. My head is like on fire. That's why you should definitely bring hats and wear them. But we just got back. They all went into Safeway. I'm excited to get some food in me. We're gonna get smoothies. I posted on Instagram for the first time in a long time. Guys, I've never posted like a bikini photo on Instagram and I was really afraid, but I was like, I'm in Hawaii. I don't give a crap. I'm just gonna post it. Here it is. Isn't it cute? The boat ride was a little intense, but it was so much fun. I'm so glad we did it. About to watch the sunrise. I don't really have my sunglasses on now.
Thanks. We're here.
And no one's here.
Well, we're just going to
Dude, this is when no one's
get
there.
away.
There's usually thousands of people here. No joke.
It's actually 5:10 in the morning. So.
This is so pretty. It's nice and warm.
Okay.
Look how sunburned you are.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Right? Lovely. So we just got some coffee. You can taste like just the coffee beans is just very, very different, and you can taste, even if you got like black coffee, it tastes good. But if you know me, I usually get decaf because it hurts my stomach, and they didn't have decaf. Let's see how today goes. We got a lot of things planned, so I'm excited. I loved watching the sunrise in the morning though at the beach. Nothing tops it. It was so incredible. We are packing up, about to leave Maui. I forgot to show you the shaved ice, but it was such a long line. How long do you think we were standing in line for?
About 30 minutes. 40.
I think it's a good 9 out of 10. You guys should try it out. We also got some really cool cookies. Let me show you. Honolulu Cookie Company. You have to go if you're in Hawaii. Alright, I'm gonna try one. That one's chocolate chip. Okay. Give your honest opinion, okay?
Buttery. Can I taste that? I would say
Okay.
I'm not a huge fan of the crunch. I like this. I'm not a huge fan of this buttery cookie, but for the taste, I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
Time to go. I actually have to pee though. Yeah, we both gotta pee.
We're right here.
It's fine. So, we gotta go to the porta potty. It's really bad. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna dip off that. Natalie.
Oh, hell no. Is that where they're jumping from? Look at them.
Are you gonna do that? We just got done. It's freaking beautiful. like clear water. Like you could drink the water.
Yeah.
Like it was not salty. It was the most refreshing thing. Like it was cold, but you got used to it, you know? It's already like 6 p.m. here. Also, I slipped. In the beginning, well, it wasn't really bad. The water and the rocks are so slippery. Both of my feet just went boom like that. So I did a middle split. It was great because I haven't done a middle split in a long time and it stretched my hamstrings like frick. And everyone saw it and everyone, it's kind of embarrassing, but I laughed it off. It was fine. But we're at the airport and probably just chill there because we got to take the rental car back. And hopefully go home soon. Well, not hopefully, but like. I'm home and I feel freaking great. I had an amazing experience. Like it was so much fun. I'm so glad I got to capture it so I can look back on this. If you're watching this and you're planning to go to Maui, I highly recommend going to all the places I went to. I think my favorite thing probably was the waterfalls. The scariest thing and probably thing I won't do again is parasailing, just because of the things I've heard. Okay, they're safe enough, but like for a cliff to be your lifeline and you look down, it's so cool. But it's terrifying. I'm glad I did it. It's like a bucket list checked off, but like I don't know if I'd do that again. This is my first video, so I'm kind of getting the groove of things. I'm gonna go fall asleep. I have a whole sunburn on my head. I don't know if you can see how red it is. Lesson learned. Wear a freaking hat if you're outside. I don't know what it is about the sun in Hawaii, but it gets you. I have never been this burnt in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed this little travel vlog, and if you did like it, feel free to subscribe if you want. I plan to post a lot more this summer. I like creating content. It's fun. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Feel free to subscribe, like the video if you want. I will see you guys later.